and welcome. This week I'll be showing you how to create a simplistic toilet. To begin, I'm going to mark out the edges. Here I'm using the Align command to move all of my ellipses into position. I'm now going to loft in between them. Use the Simplify command and then the SolidEdit Body and Shell command to hollow it out. Extrude the face and you have completed the U-bend. Now hide this object. Next, we'll create the main stool. Revolve. Extrude with a taper. Select the top and bottom faces and hit the delete key. This will flatten out the faces. Now extrude again. And one more time. Using our 2D drawing tools, mark out the hole. If you're unfamiliar with 2D tools for BricsCAD, please check our tutorials and then come back. Extrude this hole down with a taper. And fillet the edges. Using the SolidEdit Body and Shell command, remove the material from the hole, the back and the base. Now show the U-bend and extrude the top face upwards to touch the main stool. Notice that this is now one solid in the structure browser. Hide this solid. Isolate this line and use the DMTHICKEN command to thicken out this line. Use the SolidEdit Body and Shell command and turn this into a hollow pipe. Hide this solid and reveal the other one. On the top surface, draw a rectangle. And extrude this up. Use the Create mode and add a taper. Isolate this object and use the manipulator tool to change the angle of the face. Offset the top edge. Extrude up using the Create mode. Fillet the edges. And hide the top portion. Now use the SolidEdit, Body and Shell command to hollow out. Use this face as a guide and draw a cylinder. Using our 2D tools, mark out the shape of the handle. Extrude this shape using the Unite mode. Now show the piping and use Subtract to create a hole in the bottom of the tank. When you do this, the two pieces will remain one solid. To remove this material, use the SolidEdit, Body and Separate command. Now delete the excess material. Repeat the same action in the main stall of the toilet. Turn on X-ray view style and use the Push-Pull command to change the height of the face. Notice that when I hit Tab, my selection changes. This is obviously an oversimplified version of the water flow. However, when designing your own toilet, feel free to go nuts. Now I'm going to create the seat. I'm going to use a new layer and change the color. Extract the edges and using the 2D tools, create the outline for my toilet. Again, if you're unfamiliar with our 2D drawing tools, please check our tutorials. Extrude this shape upwards with the taper. Offset the edges and extrude up again using the Create mode. With the manipulator, move the object up and extrude the hole. To finish, I'm going to add a component from my own library. I created my own hinge here, but BricsCAD has hundreds of parts available in its standard parts library. And there you have it. A basic toilet stool using BricsCAD. Thank you for watching.